partly put that in the rack, but I can't connect it up yet because I haven't got the cable. I need an RCA cable to go from the surrounds onto the left and right. So I'm going to get that in the rack. It's about 7 inches. It's just a shy under 7 inches from here to here. It's just a shy under 7. From here over to there, be a little bit less. Had I not taken the feet off, there's no way that would have fit in the rack. It would be about that much. You know, had to take off. So I've only got just about that much there clearance. Can't believe it. I just don't like picking these things up. They're just heavy. Yeah, exactly. My sentiment exactly. Things were ridiculously heavy. And how heavy are these? So well, that's the thing. Let's pick one of these up. Also, I need 2 hands, so I'll just give it an honest opinion when I pick it up. Okay. I could just about pick that up from the side and my other finger there. I could just pick that up. There's no way. Well, this hasn't got any little bit of plastic around the side there. And a little bit there. So I'm going to try and pick it up round there. I'll give my honest opinion. Jesus fucking Christ, that thing's heavy. And obviously that's a little bit slimmer on the height. This is a little bit taller, obviously, but yeah, it's got a lot of amplifiers in it, and then you've got a big current. You need a transformer there for a big current supply. Right, that was unpleasant, Bear. You alright, Magic? He's ill-mannered, isn't he? So yeah, I'll get that in there, but can't do anything with it yet until I think maybe tomorrow or the day after. Oh, here comes my ill-mannered bear, possessed, demonized, Satan's spawn. Oh, yeah. Cord. Camera there. Can I balance it? Maybe a bit of blue tack will help. I think it's got a wide angle on it. Okay. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness. Flipping that. That's ridiculously tight. Yeah. That's about as far as I can push it in, because I've got other cabling in the back there that's got to be readjusted. So I've got other cables in the back here that have got to be readjusted. Because that thing's almost at the depth of the depth of the rack, 18 inches. Want to see some cable management? Yeah, it is a bit tatty. I actually did this blindfolded. I've never seen such a tatty bloody, but hey, as long as it bloody works, I don't give a damn. But I don't know which wire goes where. I need a road map. But yeah, I've got some cable management sticky things to adhesive to put on the inside. So I'm going to put all the cabling up on the inside of the rack. Reposition all my power connectors vertically rather than putting them horizontally, because horizontally is just a tatty bloody mess, because it just makes it bloody awkward. I just put them all down vertically. I think they'll fit. They should. Just having a look at them. Just having a look. So undo them. I should be able to position them vertically. Otherwise, I've had these a few years or so now. These, they're really cheap, but they're one AC inlet, and they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's six outlets. What's the creepy bear doing? Yeah, I know why some people don't like cats, because they're very they're creepy. They sneak up on you, and what do you expect? They're predators, you know. Like, get to the chopper. Yes, 12, 24. That's 24. If I'm correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one reserve. 1, 2. Well, I'll say 6. 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Flipping heck. 24 there. I think there's a few not connected up there. So I must have unplugged something. Don't know when, and probably shuffled something around in the rack and still got the lead up there. Wait, I could get a... Oh yeah, there's the plug there. See, I told you I need a road map. Work my way around this bloody thing. It's a mess, but it works. Otherwise I can get another long vertical power distributor. That go totally. I'm not sure how long it is. So how many channels? How many outlets? Just having a look. Most long ones that they do 16. They don't do a 24. So I'll just have to see if those ones will connect. Should be able to get these to go down vertically of the rack. Got to measure first. No, they won't. I just measured them. These power, they're longer than the height of the rack. So yeah, I just don't like them going horizontal. I kind of noticed, I think, when I put them in, and I'm thinking, yeah, this is getting a bit awkward now, getting cables in and around, and never liked it. So nah, four of those going mounted vertically, it won't work. It would, but I would have to put some of them down one side and then some down the other side. I might do that. I might put two of them down that way and two down this way. It's just keeping, because you say like cables, interconnection cables, coming near mains, blah blah blah, and it could pick up main sun, because the cable acts like an antenna. Depending on the shielding, raise the shields. Their shields are going up. So it just depends on that. Otherwise, the force be with you. I am your father. Bloody hell, look at that. And look at the bloody, that light was lighting up quite a bit. It's just the sensitivity a bit. Does that do anything on the sense? No, it doesn't. So, light's glowing because it's really picking up, and then move away. I'll turn the sound up, setting the sensitivity, because it's a sniffer. Listen to that. Listen to that, 50 hertz. That's good bass. Never heard anything like it. Yeah. Wonder what's inside the fridge. Like Ghostbusters, and he's got that device and he goes in the fridge. Oh my god. Look at all the junk food. Look at all the junk food. Oh, bloody hell, that light makes a bit of a strange frequency noise. Interesting. What's my cat magic light? Of course, got the light, the fluorescent. Oh, he jumps in the fridge. Oh, fail. What about the water thing? Oh yeah, and what about... Yeah. Look at that, even water makes a bloody noise. What's the world coming to? So yeah, I've got to recut the wiring, cabling on that. I can't move this down because the leads for that coming out from the wall to it are only good for about this height here or up here, but the cable outs, I've got to recut them. So I'll just get some ordinary 3-core shielded microphone cable on a cut to a specific length, order a certain length of it, and just redo it all. Not a big deal, won't make it sound any better or worse, or it'd be just still the same, you know. But you know, these cables are cheap. Yeah, audiophiles, you know, they spend stupid money like 10 grand on just a piece of 1 meter cable. You know, it's ridiculously absurd. So that's the rant. That's the rant. I was going to get a taller rack, but I don't need a taller rack. Bloody hell. Need a bigger rack. You're going to need a bigger rack. Other server racks do go a bit taller. Otherwise, I think you buy racks and then they're like, how much? You know, always look for, say, like used ones, like X server racks. You know, if they got them, if they got like the squares on them, you know, and they haven't got like this type here. That doesn't really matter. That's not a bother. It's not a problem. You just get these little clips, and they clip in. They clip into the squares, and then you can, yeah, rack it up. Because most racks come different, but they're all usually universally 19-inch. Some of them are variable on the depth. Oh yeah, what's the depth on this one? Measured the other Samsung racks, they're 18 inches. Measure the depth on this one, it's 17 inches. Yeah, that'll explain why. Yeah. And it's only partly pushed in, it's not all the way in yet, but my AVR is how many inches, including the speaker terminal things on the end, which I'm not going to really use, but there's space on it. But from, how much is it? How many inches? Measuring it the back of the chassis up to about this point, it's just under 17 inches. But with the speaker terminal things on the back, it's about 18. Oh, now all I've got to do is get the other one, get that out of the rack, and that's not going to be easy installed because of the awkwardness. That's going to be very, very awkward, but once I've got all the, I could put the other one effectively in, but I can only wire up for it to do so much for the moment. But I'd rather wait until I've got a few more extra cables in, and then fit that in. Because I don't want to half do it, I want to fully do it. so I can see what other kind of matrix trickery I can get out of the system. Oh no, my cat Bear's been watching all this going on. Now he's he's figuring it out what to do with these cables. Oh, human's gonna put something in. Oh, he's been doing something extraordinary. I don't know what. Oh, I think I'll chew on the cables when he goes to bed. Oh, 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 he's changed the room a little bit. Oh,